You probably know at least one friend, member of your family, or work colleague who makes good money online. You might have believed that making money was simple. You too can succeed. But you either failed or fell victim to an internet swindle. Ever ponder the reasons why? You either didn't know where to look or where to start, or you were looking for a quick way to make a lot of money. I'll tell you right now that there is no easy way to make money. It takes a lot of effort. There are actually countless options. You can find many frauds as well as reliable sources when you search online. I advise you to stay away from any programs that demand an upfront payment before you can start using their money-making system. Here, I'll explain how to make money online in a legitimate and user-friendly manner. A few of them will require that you possess specific abilities, such as effective communication and writing skills, etc. Let's get started right away. 10. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and other digital money. There is no question that cryptocurrencies will remain popular in 2023. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are in their early stages, much like the dot-com boom, but if you put in some time and effort, you can make a lot of money. The best part is that the majority of the knowledge can be found online. So before you start investing in cryptocurrencies, I suggest spending the first few days learning as much as you can about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You might anticipate significant growth in the upcoming months or years because the market is young and a lot of individuals are entering it. You can look around CoinSutra on Harsh's website to learn more about cryptocurrencies. 9. Work in the insurance POSP. Becoming a POSP is one of the best methods to make money online with no expense, no time restrictions, and working from home. Point of salesperson. An insurance agent who collaborates with an insurance provider to market particular insurance products online is known as a POSP. As a POSP agent, you will be able to assist clients in selecting the best insurance plan for their unique needs. What conditions must be met? The only prerequisites for becoming an insurance agent are that you must be older than 18 and have successfully finished grade 10. After that, all you have to do to obtain a license for general/life insurance is undergo the IRDA's 15-hour mandatory training course. How much money can you make? Selling various insurance products has a lot of potential, and the quantity of policies you sell will determine your revenue. The more insurance you sell, the more quickly you can make a good living. 8. Become a virtual assistant. This is another great way to earn money while at home. The need for virtual assistants is growing along with the number of solopreneurs. Similar to a personal assistant position, a virtual assistant works virtually. The task might be as follows: doing research, answering emails, writing articles or advertisements, censoring comments. Your hourly wage as a virtual assistant could range from $2 to $30 on average. Being a VA is a lucrative choice for anyone who needs to work from home but is unable to leave the house. 7. Become a transcription freelancer. The need for individuals to transcribe audio into text format is growing along with the number of podcasts and other multimedia material. You may work from home and earn money doing transcription work thanks to websites like Reverend. The advantage of this job at home: you can work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want, with a freelance job. Take pleasure in choosing from a selection of projects that pique your interest. Our extensive customer base implies that there are always plenty of freelance opportunities available. Get paid every week via PayPal for all job done. Rev is dependable and always on time. Anyone who knows and can write in English may easily do this type of task, which is another one that can be done at your own time. 6. Affiliate promotion. The best approach for anyone to begin making money online is through affiliate marketing. You can promote and make money from this with absolutely no investment using your blog or even your social media accounts on Twitter and Facebook. I am aware of bloggers who make thousands of dollars solely from affiliate marketing while they are at home. Every major corporation, including Amazon, Apple, and Google, has an affiliate network that is open to anybody in the world and is free to join. If you were unaware of this, pay close attention to the remainder of this book, because you are going to learn one of the most fascinating features of working from home. 5. Test applications and websites before launch. Testing out applications and websites is another easy way to earn money online without making any investments. Companies and app developers engage consumers to perform what is known as beta testing, since they don't want their users to become perplexed by their apps and websites. Prior to going live to the general public, they essentially test out their websites or apps and report on the user experience or find any flaws and issues. Are there any prerequisites? Since you don't need any specialized knowledge to perform this, it's a fantastic option for people searching for part-time or remote jobs. How much money can you make? Depending on how lengthy, intricate, and experienced the beta testing procedure is. Some websites that provide jobs for testing apps and websites are beta testing, user testing, Start-Uplift, Test.io, Try.me UI. 4. Guest posting services for clients. The skills required are client engagement and writing. You could make a lot of money using it. Regarding traffic, visibility, trustworthiness, and search engine recognition, guest writing offers many advantages. Just consider how much you could charge if you were qualified enough to have a guest post accepted by Shoutmeloud. You'll receive thousands of dollars from your clients. You must be able to write for this. 3. Create a YouTube channel. How often have you noticed ads on YouTube videos? I was unaware that regular users like you, and I could make money by uploading videos to YouTube until I learnt about these chances. The video doesn't have to be technical. It might be lighthearted or somber. The video must be unique though. You may easily submit videos to YouTube and use AdSense to monetize them. You don't need to spend a lot of money or acquire expensive equipment like a professional camera. An effective smartphone video recorder can work wonders. Just be prepared to record some wild moments. Homemakers may want to launch a cooking program or something similar. You may make your own DIY workout films, publish them to YouTube, and enable adverts on them if you are proficient in yoga, Pilates, or any other sort of exercise. 2. Start a successful blog. Blogging is a great alternative for you if you love to write and want to share your ideas, feelings, or knowledge with others. You don't have to be a computer whiz to begin your internet journey. Blogging is simple to get started with, and all you need for self-hosted WordPress is a domain and hosting. In 2 to 3 months, you can begin to make money. Everything relies on how much effort, time, and commitment you are prepared to put forth. 1. By freelancing. One of the most well-liked ways to earn money online is through freelancing, which doesn't require any upfront capital. All you have to do is sign up as a freelancer on a few important platforms. The next step is to showcase your abilities to potential clients by providing examples of your work. Are there any prerequisites? If you're skilled in writing, programming, editing, designing, or a variety of other tasks, you can work as a freelancer and earn money online. Nowadays, a lot of companies are progressively giving freelancers smaller jobs. How much money can you make? As a freelancer, you can quickly identify high-paying jobs based on the type of work you offer. The following are some of the best freelance websites that provide legitimate work. 99 Designs, Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, People Per Hour. I hope I've helped you a lot with making money online without any investment. Please show your support by hitting thumbs up to this video and sharing with your friends. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I'll catch you soon with a new video. To be notified earlier, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.